In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate DHL Freight Sweden with your Shopify store. This guide is sure to simplify the seemingly complicated process of linking your e-commerce platform with this essential shipping partner. Our very first step involves installing a shipping app. Task number 1 is to journey into the Shopify App Store. Our destination is a compatible DHL Freight Sweden integration application. An excellent choice would be the Multi-Carrier Shipping Label app by Plugin Hive. Make this app an integral part of your Shopify store by completing the installation process. Now that the app is installed, we move on to the nitty-gritty of configuration. The application's settings are accessible from your Shopify admin. Here, you will encounter empty fields waiting to be filled with information from your DHL Freight Sweden account. Your version of the necessary data may show slight variances, but you are likely to enter the following: your primary account number, the production key that activates your account, your plus gyro number, especially if you need to enable the cash-on-delivery service, as well as your EID and password needed for contract rates. This pertinent information can be found within your DHL account settings. Once your app is linked to your DHL Freight Sweden account seamlessly, we then proceed to setting up your shipping rates and services. More often than not, the app will take over and automatically enable all available DHL Freight Sweden services. However, the power lies with you to decide which services are displayed at checkout. This is your opportunity to tailor your store's operations to your customers' needs. Next, configure your store's shipping origin and settings to get the correct rate calculations. Our final step is all about automating the fulfillment and tracking of shipments. This efficiency boost happens as the app assumes the responsibility of printing shipping labels. Nonetheless, it's crucial to ensure your products have correct weight and dimensions entered. Only then can the rate calculations be accurate. As orders are processed through the app, DHL tracking numbers will be generated automatically. These can be sent instantly to your customers through emails. Bonus, the application or the Shopify admin can even schedule pickups for your shipments. And there you have it. By the end of this process, your Shopify store will be successfully integrated with DHL Freight Sweden. Not only does this boost your operational efficiency, but it also means a smoother, faster, and more reliable shipping experience for all your customers.